Tesla is moving very fast in Indonesia, and Indonesia, regarding the Gigafactory in Indonesia, is responding quickly. Tesla team visited nickel plant in Indonesia, and negotiations are still ongoing. In this report, I have more update on that. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story, and give us thumbs up if you find this record that I'm about to tell you interesting. Indonesia's Minister for Maritime and Investment Affairs, Luhut Pandjaitan, tempered claims that Tesla agreed to build a factory in the country, and we all reported that Tesla is about to build the next Gigafactory in Indonesia and not a second Gigafactory in China. Although in China, Tesla is going to expand almost to the size of second Gigafactory. However, Indonesia's Minister of Maritime and Investment assured the public that negotiations between Tesla and Indonesia were still ongoing. Here's what he said. Making an investment decision is not as easy as snapping fingers. It takes a long process and time. Moreover, this is an investment of huge value, so we have to be patient, Pandjaitan told local media outlets recently. But what must be remembered, this is still in the negotiation stage, so once again, all must be patient. Last week, Indonesia's investment minister Bahlil Lahadalia stated that Tesla agreed to build a battery and electric vehicle plant in Indonesia. According to Lahadalia, he couldn't officially announce the news because Tesla hasn't signed an agreement yet. He also stated that Tesla and Indonesia were still negotiating, but teased that President Joko Widodo had special move to woo Elon Musk. What is that special move? We don't know. President Jokowi has visited Elon Musk several times in the United States already. He has toured both Tesla Giga Texas and SpaceX, while Jokowi and Elon Musk talked. The Tesla team visited Indonesia. I mean, these visits don't happen just for no reason. They can be fruitful or they may not. I don't know. Pandjaitan described Tesla's visit to Indonesia saying, Tesla's team is moving really fast. They came to Indonesia earlier this month, visited several nickel processing plants, and we also responded quickly to show our seriousness and support. End of the quote. So as you can see, the relationship between Tesla and Indonesia about the second Gigafactory in Asia or about the battery factory is warming up, and both sides are moving seriously and fast. Pandjaitan noted that an industrial area in Indonesia's northern Kalimantan province would be good area for dedicated Tesla battery factory if negotiations were successful. If anyone knows any properties of that size in the North Kalimantan province, please let me know or let us know in the comment section below so we know approximately which part of the province Tesla may build its factory. Indonesia would be an ideal place for a battery manufacturing plant. The country holds the world's largest nickel reserves, reports Teslaradi. It produces 1 million metric tons per annum per year. However, Indonesia banned the export of raw nickel in 2020, which is a smart move because then you can go and build a factory there if you want to use their nickel, and that's what Tesla looks like is about to do. The country uses its nickel reserves to attract investment in its battery supply chain. What do you think, friends, about Tesla building a gigafactory in Indonesia? This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news, give us thumbs up and ring the bell so you don't miss my coverage. God bless you, and let's move on to our next Tesla story.